Hello and welcome back to my channel where we explore the world of artificial intelligence. Today we are going to talk about the pros and cons of AI. Artificial intelligence is a hot topic in today's world, with its rapid growth and development. However, along with the benefits, there are also some drawbacks that need to be considered. Let's start with the pros of AI. The first and most obvious benefit of AI is automation. AI can take over mundane and repetitive tasks, which can free up humans to focus on more creative and critical thinking tasks. This can lead to an increase in productivity, efficiency, and speed. For instance, AI-powered chatbots can handle customer service queries 24/7, reducing the need for human customer service representatives. Another pro of AI is its ability to learn and adapt. Machine learning algorithms can analyze data and learn from it to improve its accuracy and performance. This can lead to more personalized and efficient services, such as personalized shopping recommendations, personalized healthcare, and more accurate fraud detection. AI can also help us make better decisions by analyzing vast amounts of data and providing insights that humans may not have noticed. For example, AI can analyze medical records to help doctors diagnose diseases more accurately, or it can analyze financial data to help traders make better investment decisions. Now let's talk about the cons of AI. The first and most significant concern is job displacement. As AI takes over repetitive tasks, it could lead to job losses for humans. In particular, low-skilled jobs are at risk of being automated, which could lead to social and economic inequality. Moreover, as AI becomes more sophisticated, even high-skilled jobs could be automated, leading to a potential loss of creativity and judgment in certain industries. Another concern with AI is bias. Machine learning algorithms are only as unbiased as the data they are trained on. If the data is biased, then the AI system will be biased as well. This can lead to discrimination against certain groups of people, such as minorities or women. Bias can also affect decision-making in areas like criminal justice, where biased algorithms could perpetuate systemic discrimination. The third concern is privacy. AI systems can collect vast amounts of data about individuals, including their personal information, browsing history, and even their location. This data can be used to create detailed profiles of individuals and their behavior, which could be used for targeted advertising, fraud, or even surveillance. AI has both pros and cons. It has the potential to revolutionize the world and improve our lives in many ways. However, we must also consider the potential risks and drawbacks of AI and work to mitigate them. We need to ensure that AI is developed and used ethically and responsibly to maximize the benefits and minimize the harm. Before we end, I would like to share some additional thoughts on the topic of AI. One area where AI has the potential to be very beneficial is in sustainability. With the use of AI, we can optimize energy usage and reduce carbon emissions, which can help to mitigate the effects of climate change. For instance, AI-powered systems can help to manage the flow of energy in power grids to reduce waste and improve efficiency. Another area where AI can be useful is in healthcare. AI can analyze patient data and provide insights that can help doctors diagnose diseases more accurately and develop more effective treatments. Moreover, AI can also help to identify patterns and predict outbreaks of diseases, which can help to prevent the spread of diseases. Finally, I would like to emphasize the importance of transparency and accountability in the development and use of AI. We need to be transparent about how AI systems work, what data they are using, and how they are making decisions. Moreover, we need to hold the developers and users of AI accountable for any harm that may result from its use. To summarize, AI has the potential to be a powerful tool for improving our lives in many ways, but it also comes with risks and drawbacks. As we continue to develop and use AI, we need to ensure that we are addressing these risks and working to mitigate them. By doing so, we can maximize the benefits of AI while minimizing its potential harm. Now, let's talk about some ways to address the concerns around AI. To address the job displacement concern, we can focus on reskilling and upskilling the workforce to adapt to new roles that are emerging due to the increasing use of AI. Governments and businesses can invest in training programs to help workers learn new skills and transition to new roles. Additionally, we can focus on creating new jobs that leverage the strengths of humans, such as creativity and empathy, which AI cannot replicate. To address the bias concern, we can ensure that the data used to train AI systems is diverse and representative of all populations. This can help to reduce the risk of biased algorithms. Moreover, we can develop tools and techniques to detect and correct biases in AI systems. Additionally, we can implement regulations and standards to ensure that AI systems are developed and used ethically and responsibly. To address the privacy concern, we can implement data protection laws and regulations that require organizations to be transparent about how they collect, store, and use data. Moreover, we can develop technologies that allow individuals to control their own data and decide how it is used. Additionally, we can invest in cybersecurity measures to prevent unauthorized access to data and ensure the security of AI systems. In conclusion, while AI has the potential to bring numerous benefits, it also comes with risks and challenges that need to be addressed. We need to ensure that AI is developed and used ethically, responsibly, and transparently. By doing so, we can maximize the benefits of AI while minimizing its potential harm. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content on AI.